ICT traders, if you want to become a professional trader but are still working a regular day job and find it difficult to trade during the working day, I have the solution for you. Within 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly the time frame you should be trading within if you want to make money outside of your day job. I have used a year's worth of data to show you that one asset which most people are scared to trade. That's because they're trading at the wrong time. So this is Edgeful. Edgeful allows you to find or refine your trading edge. And a fantastic report I found is the session range by weekday report. And essentially what it allows you to do is for each asset, find when it moves the most. Let me show you for the futures first. So let's have a look at NQ. And this is why a number of you traders struggle. You can see that the volume for the New York session, which is in blue, is much higher than the other sessions, i.e., you really need to be trading between regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, if you're working a regular job and you're based in New York, man, you can't be trading during your work time. But I have found the asset that works for you. Have a look at gold. So the Asia session is in this light color. The London session is in the dark gray and the New York session is in blue. Now you can see that the Asia session dominates on Mondays, is higher than the New York session on Tuesdays, and is comparable on Wednesdays. It's not too bad on Thursdays. It's not too bad on Friday, i.e. the distribution is more even during the sessions than NQ. So let me show you ES just to compare again. You see how the New York session dominates for ES, but gold is very tradable during the Asia session. Now, the issue is the sessions are based in local time. So you'll see it's 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. UTC +9. Now, I'm not going to do that kind of mathematics in my head, so I'm going to show you exactly how I converted those kill zones into New York time, and I used Claude. So this is the prompt I used, very easy. I just took a screenshot of the customized. Now, of course, if you have access to Edgeful, you can narrow down the exact time-based range that you want to trade within. But for these purposes, we're going to go with the default. So I took a screenshot of this and I asked it a very simple question. Convert these sessions to New York time. And additionally, I said, showing how long the sessions are in hours. So the Asia session is from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. New York time. So that is after work. So you can get home from your day job and then start trading from 7 p.m. until 4 in the morning if you so wish. The London session is from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. And you'll see that the London session moves quite well as well. You see? On Tuesdays, the London session dominates the New York session. Wednesdays is comparable, Thursdays is comparable, and Friday it dominates. So I've given you two options. You can either trade the Asia session after work, or you can wake up early and trade gold during the London session between 3 a.m. and whatever time you need to get to work. Okay. If you would like access to Edgeful, there's a link in the description of this video. If you would like me to teach you exactly how I trade my golden bullet and rabbit hole trading models for index futures, metals, energies, currencies, and crypto, there's a link to my mentorship below.